MV Seafarer, this is VTS. We are aware of your approach to the port entrance. Please confirm your intended course and speed.
BTS, this is MB Seafarer. Our intended course is 090 degrees at 12 knots. We are planning to proceed through the main channel.
MV Seafarer, we acknowledge your intended course. Please note that there is a larger tanker, MT Ocean Star, currently transiting the main channel in the opposite direction. We recommend adjusting your course slightly to starboard to avoid a close encounter.
BTS, understood. We will adjust our course to 095 degrees to provide sufficient clearance.
MV Seafarer confirmed. We will continue to monitor your progress. Please keep us informed of any changes to your course or speed.
BTS, will do. Thank you for the information and guidance.